Hey friends, welcome back. This is Myrtle the Campervan. I'm Jane Sarche. I'm a food writer and recipe developer, and together me and Myrtle bring you guys awesome one-pot camping recipes. Today we're still in the whole veganuary or vegan theme, and we're going to bring you some delicious vegan pancakes. I hope you love them. So we're going to substitute the egg in normal pancakes for banana. Now this is the time when you want a really old brown, really soft and squidgy banana. You don't want any mould or rot, but you do want a really soft one. A, it's going to be easier to mash, but also B, it's going to have a higher sugar content, which means you can keep the actual sugar in the recipe down, and it's just going to be a lot more tasty. So as you can see, we are really soft and mushy. So just mash that up with a fork in a bowl, then pour in the milk. As always, you can find a full recipe down in the description box below, so you'll get all the amounts and everything down there. Now we're going to tip in the flour and the sugar. Now before we finish mixing that up, I'm going to just heat some coconut oil in the pan. And not only do we need the coconut oil to actually cook the pancakes, but I also need some melted into my recipe too. When your coconut oil is melted, just pour 2 tablespoons into the batter and mix that through. Now finally sprinkle in the bicarb and the baking powder and gently stir that through. You don't want to over stir at this point. And then making sure you've got a little bit of hot oil in your pan, put a good dollop of batter over a medium heat. And as the pancakes cook, you'll see these little bubbles on the surface of the pancake. Kind of looks like a bit like crumpets. And at that point you can turn them over. 1 down, 9 more to go. Pancakes are served. That's Johnny home for lunch on his tractor. So I'm going to serve these bad boys with some fresh blueberries and some maple syrup, but let the world be your oyster when it comes to what you put with your pancakes. As always, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe, and don't forget that next month we're going to be doing comfort food theme, so please leave your comfort food ideas in the comments below so I can get a load of ideas and pull together my favourites and bring you those recipes in February. Whatever you're up to this weekend, I hope you have a fabulous time, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Until then, happy camping.